Revs M3. Fucking crazy ass exhaust. I gotta figure out what exhaust exactly is on that, because I don't know. But it sounds like death, like a good death, if there is such a thing.
Tell them Matt sent you if you go in there and check it out because you saw this video. Other than that, I hope you like the video. Subscribe down below. Hit the red subscribe button. There's a little notification button down there. We're just doing that for your advantage, just so you get notifications and whatnot. That way, I post these videos normally around lunchtime, 12 o'clock and whatnot. That way you can watch it during your lunch time and things like that. Give the video a thumbs up as well and share this with anyone that you think might care. I will catch you later.